Concept 2, using the order of operations. So if you run into any real complex looking expressions, they might look scary. Just take your time and follow the order of operations, and you should be able to get through them. Okay. Start off by writing them on your paper. 3 plus inside parentheses, -2 squared plus 3 inside parentheses to the -2nd times 5 minus 6 to the 0. Okay. Now, first step is parentheses. I can only evaluate or simplify things inside parentheses if there's more than one term. This just has a -2 in it. Doesn't matter that there's an exponent outside the parenthesis. If there's just one number inside, I can't do anything to it. So this -2 stays, this 3 stays, but this 5 minus 6 I can simplify to a -1. And I'm going to leave my parentheses because I have an exponent. Okay. If you have an exponent, you want to leave your parentheses until you evaluate that exponent. That's why I'm bringing all of them down with my other terms. Okay, so I'm done with my parentheses. Now my next step is exponents. I have a -2 raised to a +2. So that's going to be -2 times -2. A negative times negative is a positive. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 3 to the -2. So it's a negative exponent, so I know I'm going to make my fraction bar and put 1 above it. And it's 2, so it'll be 3 times 3 underneath. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. And then that's going to be multiplied by -1 to the 0 power. Well, anything to the 0 power is just going to be 1. Right? And 1 times anything is going to be whatever you have to start with. So 1/9 times 1 is 1/9. And now, I forgot to cross off my exponents because I finished my exponents. And now I finished all my multiplication. So now I'm at 3 plus 4 plus 1/9. Now I do my adding and subtracting. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 1/9 is 7 and 1/9.